Traders, how we doing, guys? We are going to see something incredible happen here on VeChain, and there's a very good argument of why it's going to happen today on May 1st. First, go over the news, go over the technicals. I'll show you guys my price prediction of where this could go and how to get into the best entry for this if you guys are not currently in. So VeChain, let's look at the top articles that are being pumped out and let's refresh this just in case we got new ones. VeChain price prediction. Okay, VeChain relief rally finds strong resistance. Okay, I'm going to take this as a bearish argument, bearish sentiment. VeChain announces $1 million ground as VET price sees comeback. All right, well, that's a bullish argument to me. I think we're in the middle right now. VeChain holds its ground against the bears. Can it reach $1? Okay, that is a bullish argument to me. So we have one bearish and two bullish. Okay, VET holders unimpressed with VeChain's new highs. Bearish argument for sure if they're going to try to pump it out. All right, so we're at 2 and 2. VeChain to consolidate before a major price movement. This to me is actually a bullish move. People understand there has to be consolidation sometimes in the market, but this leaves the reader with an anticipation that the price might be going up. 3 bullish, 2 bearish. All right, VeChain in 2021 forms blockchain. Bullish move in sight, question mark? Kind of an indecision on this. So we're almost sitting at a 50% sentiment here as far as it comes to the news. And trust me, news will sway many retail traders as well as people who have a lot of money. So we need to keep that into account. That 50% sentiment in the news is correlating to what we're seeing on the chart here. We are seeing a massive amount of indecision. 2 things I believe have happened. 1, people are holding their VeChain right now and they're not sure what's going to happen, or a lot of people have liquidated and they are holding on the sidelines. Without pulling up the volume right now, I can tell you that volume is dropping off simply by the symmetrical triangle pattern. Now let me show you this on the chart. If I just pull up the volume, we're going to see that it's dropped off and there's about equal buying and equal selling in here. You can see that we're kind of equal in here. This is why we're going sideways. People are buying, at the same time they're selling off. They're buying, they're selling off. We are seeing a little bit more of a sell-off in the last, I would say, 12 hours here with a 4, an 8, and a 12 candle here. We are all bearish in the last 12 hours. Yesterday's video when I came out with this, I said that we were expected to come down here and touch this 19.3. We came down, touched exactly to that point, and we pushed into the pressure point of the triangle. Okay, next section of this video. What are my predictions of where the price could go? Well, if we do break to the upside here, I do expect to see some type of resistance up here at around 22 cents, simply because this is what's called a structure high on the chart. What I'm looking for a really nice moon move on this, maybe hit an all-time high, is to hit this resistance, look for that pullback, and then break this resistance here. That is where you could get a lot of people to come into the market. Remember what's going to happen here. Price moves up, people push the price down by selling, or maybe there's some shorting going on out there that people are doing because they don't think it's going to go up. Stop losses are going to be hit. And conversely, they're trying to cover their loss because they just lost their short trade on their stop loss. So they're going to the exchanges where they can buy it and they're going to drive the price up. Okay, that is an argument of why this could just crazily go up today. And then give me a second, I'm going to explain to you why Saturday, today, is the best day for this to go up. Conversely, let's look at the downside of this. If we do break down, I do believe we are going to see a little bit of consolidation or possibly a brief halt, stop here at around 18.2 or 18.3, simply because this is a structured support on the chart. We're either going to go sideways here, come back up, maybe test the ascending support line here, and then we could see a break of this support and then move back down. So what I'm really looking for as far as confirmation is to see a move up, a break back down, and then a break of that resistance to see this thing skyrocket, or a breakdown, a pullback, and then a break of the support to see this thing drop. Okay, here is my argument of why I think this is more poised to go up than it is to go down. We have this $1 million deal out there that we are all seeing that's being pumped around the internet. That's very bullish. The big guys, I feel, would have taken profit by now, which is what's caused these drop-offs, And I think what they're doing is they're waiting to see where can we push this for the retail money to get involved, and then we can skyrocket this. An argument here is that we could head down to get all the retail traders to think that we're selling off, which is going to create the perfect opportunity for the big hedge funds to put in their hundreds of millions of dollars into VeChain, which is while everyone's selling, they're going to come in with their buys, and it's going to be a perfect golden opportunity for them to drive the price back up. So don't be nervous here if you do see a move down and then it skyrockets back up and just keeps going and breaks this resistance. So there's a lot of scenarios that can play on the chart, but here's the reason why Saturday today is a great opportunity for this. Think about this. Everybody has come home from work from Friday. They're at home. They can look at their computers and their phones. They are mostly relaxing, or they have time to look at this. On Sunday morning, people are going to church. Some people do that. Some people, have family days on Sunday. Okay, Saturday is a day where people are looking at their charts, and if this is going to break out, they can be attentive and they can get FOMO, and they can just immediately get in because they are attentive. Remember, people at work who are working 8 hours a day, they are unattentive to the charts, which can sometimes cause just lack of volume. We just have to think practically about the retail trader, okay? So that's what we're looking for today on the chart. If you are not in VeChain right now and you're like, man, I think we could get up here to this all-time high on this move, yes, that is a possibility. We could see 25 cents to 26 cents on this move. But I think if we do, we're going to come up here, get a little consolidation back down, and then we're going to break back up. So 26 cents is a possibility. Also, it is a possibility we could get down here to about 15.5 or 16 cents. So 16 cents is still the best buy opportunity. I would say the greatest discount area for VeChain at the moment. So if we start heading down, I wouldn't really get nervous. I would more so get excited, which is how I personally trade. Is when I see the price going down, I get so excited because this is where the best buy opportunities are, and VeChain would be on discount. So stocking up around this area, around 16 cents, would be great. But it is possible that we could, within a 12-hour period, look what happened here. This is a 12-hour period, 36%. All right, let's come over here and let's just pull a simple 36% here. It's going to be a little bit less because we're a little bit higher. So 36%, we could have an argument that we could see around 25 to 27 cent move today on Saturday. All right, this is pretty crazy. We might push into the midnight hours on Sunday tomorrow, but this could happen today. It has happened before with a single move. It's poised. Out of all the technicals out there on all the coins, this is the one that I think is personally ready to explode the most out of any of them. So this is going to be crazy. Get your buy limits in down here to get ready for this to dip down and maybe go back up. Maybe get your buy stops in here above this resistance to see if we can skyrocket up. So Bitcoin holding at 57.5, still going a little bit sideways as predicted from yesterday's video. So let's see what happens to VeChain. Good job all the holders out there, and this could be an incredible opportunity for new investors to get into VeChain or buy the dip. God bless you guys. I'll keep you updated. Today's a big day.